Okay, ready? 1, 2. You're relaxing music. No. Let's try this again. After, go. After, okay, yeah. Seven, okay. 4, 3. Once you have it, pull it up. Show it to the no. Let the world see it. Okay, that has to be a dog. I mean, if that's anything else but a dog, I'm sorry. Tama naman, di ba? So I get the point. Tama. Give her 10 seconds again.
Make this hard for me, Eunice. Let's see it.
3, 2, and what do we have here? That's a flower. I feel like we did this intentionally for me to win so we hear you sing. This is the third option right here. And what do we have? A toaster? What? A toaster? What is that? Is that a toaster? Mali.
It's a jukebox.
A jukebox.
Next.
Okay, here we go. Next. What do we have? Okay, that's Hello Kitty. I did it. Okay. No one gets basketball. Okay, here we go. Okay, ready? 1, 2. You're relaxing music. No. Let's try this again. After, go. After, yeah. Your relaxing music mix.
Easy rock.
Yay, we pulled that off.
Yay!
We did that.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out our videos by clicking here.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.